You thought I was going to get that? Really? Come on, guys. It's 2021. Single-use bottles are old news. 7 years ago, we brought you the memo bottle.
It was an idea that came about for two reasons: single-use water bottles and their disastrous environmental impact.
And secondly, the round bottles just didn't fit into our lives.
Since then, Memo Bottle has taken the world by storm and has created a massive social and environmental impact.
And now we're ready to give you a whole new reason to go reusable.
Introducing the stainless steel Memo Bottle, a stainless steel bottle designed to fit in your bag and in your life. From handbags to sling bags to backpacks and back pockets,